This is my new Seth Thomas dual chime wall clock. I have it set down here because I want to show you the inside. I'll do that after I demonstrate the chime. Hold on. Let me get the back off. Oh, it's already off. Well, here we go with the chimes. Oops. Oh, thank you, baby. Let me make sure it's going the correct way. Yep. Alright. Prepare to hear Westbrook's chime. And then it kind of just spiraled and snowballed into 4 years later. Ave Maria. Make sure this is going the correct way. Okay. Now we hear Ave Maria. Oh, I put the pendulum the wrong way. There you go. Okay. And that was the Seth Thomas dual chime mantle clock. Wall clock. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and take care.